Hey, close your eyes for a second.
Why? What are you planning now? You always do this.
Just trust me. Close them.
Okay, closed. But if this is a prank, I won't forgive you.
No prank. Open them slowly.
A rose? For me?
Yes, happy Rose Day.
It's beautiful. But why a single rose?
Because one rose is enough when it's given to the right person.
That sounds like something you practiced.
Maybe. Or maybe it's just how I feel.
You know, when I was younger, I thought Rose Day was silly.
And now?
Now it feels different. Now it feels meaningful.
Because of the rose?
Because of who gave it.
Do you remember the first time we met?
Of course I do. You were nervous and pretending not to be.
I was terrified. I didn't even know what to say.
Yet here we are, talking about roses.
Life changes fast,
Yes.
but some feelings grow slowly and stay.
This rose reminds me of you.
Why?
Because it's soft, but it has thorns.
So you're saying I hurt you.
No, I'm saying you're strong and real.
People think love is always perfect.
Love survives on respect.
Yeah, that's true.
Then let's protect them, not with promises, but with effort.
I like that.
This rose may fade, but memories don't, and neither does respect.